Keeping cool. The meaning of ice in the veins. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have heard before: ice in the veins. This expression is a fantastic example of how language can vividly capture emotions and characteristics. So, if you're ready to add another cool phrase to your English repertoire, keep watching. When someone says they have ice in their veins, they're not talking about the literal freezing of blood. Instead, this metaphorical phrase is used to describe a person who remains calm under pressure, displaying an exceptional level of composure and confidence in stressful or challenging situations. It's as if their blood is so cool, not even a high-pressure scenario can make them sweat. The exact origins of ice in the veins are a bit murky, but it's clear that the phrase has been popularized by its frequent use in sports and competitive environments. Athletes who can perform at their best, especially during crucial moments of a game, are often said to have ice in their veins. This expression highlights their ability to stay cool and focused, regardless of the intensity of the moment. You can use ice in the veins in various contexts, not just sports. Here are a few examples. A surgeon performing a complex procedure without showing any signs of nervousness might be described as having ice in their veins. During a critical business presentation, if someone remains poised and convincing under tough questioning, colleagues might say they have ice in their veins. This phrase encapsulates the admiration for those who can maintain their calm and clarity, no matter the pressure. Incorporating ice in the veins into your language can add a layer of richness to your descriptions of people and situations. It's a powerful way to acknowledge someone's cool-headedness or your own ability to stay calm in challenging scenarios. Remember, it's all about the context and the qualities you want to highlight: poise, calmness, and the ability to remain unaffected by high-pressure situations. And that's a wrap on ice in the veins. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Whether you're describing someone else's calm demeanor or your own, ice in the veins is a vivid way to express an impressive level of composure. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to stay cool, just like someone with ice in their veins. See you in the next video.